151 dents is what I need to remove with this kit. Is it gonna happen? Can this kit provide the relief I need? So as most of you guys know, I was back down in Texas a few months ago when the Hurricane Harvey hit. The car got completely destroyed by hail damage. The insurance company claimed there's 151 dents. I did not take the money. I'm going to try to attempt to do it myself here. This kit that we picked up at the local auto parts store, Harbor Freights I believe, for about $20-25. So let's see if this is any good. We can utilize this kit for some small dents. Stay tuned for the video. You guys ready? So now we got tension on here and we're slowly gonna pull, keep turning, and as we're turning it's gonna pull this up, hopefully pulling the dent up with it. So there it goes. It already lost tension. Zero effect on the dent. Zero. And I've done this exact procedure on multiple dents in this vehicle to the same degree. And I've used this tab that comes with it. I've also used the bigger tab that comes with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, this kit right here does not work on small hail damaged dents whatsoever. I tried multiple times, multiple dents. It is a no-go. Definitely needs to go to a professional or a body shop to remove those dents. This might work on big old dents, but I just don't see the glue gun adhesive being strong enough to pull the dent out. That's just my opinion. So if you guys are out in the stores, you come across this, I would not purchase it for small dents. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other videos.